Welcome to Beach Walk with Olivia. Today I'm walking in Biograd, a little jewel on the Adriatic coast of Croatia. Let the sea guide us, let the sun warm our way. Golden light on pebbled shore, Biograd calls me to explore. Palms and cafes line the street, the Adriatic sings so sweet. Marina glitters, boats set free, sails like wings across the sea. From here the islands wait in blue, Poshman close, Cornati too. Music, laughter, gentle light. Ice cream melts in children's hands while couples stroll the glowing sands. Restaurants serve the sea's delight, fresh fish grilled in golden night. Olive oil, a glass of wine, flavors of Dalmatia shine. Beach walk with Olivia, where the summer feels so near. Biograd's charm in every breath, the reason I love being here. Waves are dancing, skies are wide, adventure waits at every side. Beach walk with Olivia, the Adriatic is my guide. Cycling paths by pine and green, hidden coves where peace is seen. Kayaks glide where dolphins play, sandy saline calls by day. Fun for families, water slides, adventure parks where laughter hides. And just beyond the Cornati Sea, a sailor's paradise calling me.
Tam zůstane. Našetřím třeba další 10. Malo, 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 malo izgleda.
Jedna salata, što bi moći pija ide na jesti. Onda sa ovom grupom došlo što će prati 50% ili namiru najmlađe prijatelje nakon toga imamo za pohvaliti naše roditelje koji su od ove godine odlučili plivati štafetu roditelja. Imat ćemo velike nagrade povodom toga.
Ja idemo stvarati